Good afternoon. Good afternoon and welcome to the University of Kansas School of Nursing Recognition and Hooding Ceremony honoring the graduates of 2025. I'm Jean Giddens, Dean of the School of Nursing. We welcome you. Please have a seat. I'd like to make sure we also recognize those who are joining us today via live stream, so welcome as well. I'd like to introduce the individuals on the platform with me this afternoon, some of whom you will be hearing from later in the program. As your name is called, please stand and be recognized. Dr. Robert Klein, Vice Chancellor for Academic and Student Affairs at KU Medical Center. Dr. Akinlulu Ojo, Executive Dean, School of Medicine. Dr. Abiodun Akinwonton, Dean, School of Health Professions. Dr. Barb Polivka, Associate Dean for Grants and Research. Dr. Nelda Godfrey, Associate Dean for Undergraduate Programs and Department Chair. Dr. Jill Peltzer, Associate Dean for Graduate Programs and Department Chair. Dr. Karen Weiss, Campus Dean, School of Nursing, Salina Campus. And Jesse Laux, President of Delta Chapter Sigma Theta Tau International. I'd also like to recognize our faculty. They are remarkable professionals who have significant and diverse talents and have provided an exceptional educational experience for our students. I could not be more proud to be affiliated with these faculty. Please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Also, we all know the backbone of any organization is our support professional staff. The efforts of our professional staff in supporting our faculty and students are invaluable. We have several KUMC and School of Nursing professional staff here that have made this day possible. If you're in the back or anywhere, please stand up, say hello, recognize these people for all the efforts that they have made for today. Now it's my distinct honor to welcome Dr. Robert Klein, Vice Chancellor for Academic and Student Affairs, to the podium. Dr. Klein became a faculty member in the School of Medicine in 1975, earned his professor in 1987, and continues to teach today. He has served as Vice Chancellor for Academic and Student Affairs since 2013, and has served in a variety of leadership roles in the School of Medicine before that time. Dr. Klein has a long history and legacy in education and mentoring KUMC students. He has positively impacted the careers of future scientists, medical professionals, and many faculty members. Please welcome to the podium, Dr. Robert Klein.
Thanks, Dean Giddens. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm incredibly honored to be with you today. As I look back on my own journey, next month marking my 50th anniversary at the University of Kansas Medical Center, I can't help but reflect on the students I've watched grow into strong healthcare professionals like yourselves, and the lasting impact that caring individuals have on the lives of others. Throughout these past 50 years and beyond, I've had the privilege of witnessing the dedication and care you all provide. I have seen it not just through my work here, but through personal experiences within my family. So I'd like to share a particularly special story with all of you. It has shaped how I think about care, empathy, and the power of human connection. My mother, who grew up in New York City, spent much of her life fiercely, I should say, fiercely independent. She lived on her own until she was 86, a testament to her strength and resilience. But as life often does, it took an unexpected turn. My mother went through a long hospitalization at KU Hospital, followed by 2 surgical procedures, and then nursing care in a skilled nursing facility. It was a time of great vulnerability for her, and as you can imagine, it wasn't easy for someone who had spent her entire life taking care of herself and others. During this difficult time, my mother received extraordinary care from the KU physicians and nurses who attended to her. But there was one nurse, Mary, who stands out in my memory. Mary went beyond the call of duty. She didn't just provide care, she took the time to learn about my mother, including how she grew up during the Depression, her experiences teaching students in the 2nd and 3rd grade at a public school in Bedford-Stuyvesant, Brooklyn for over 30 years, and met and married her husband, a World War II veteran. Mary wanted to understand who my mother was as a person and to give her the emotional support that was so desperately needed. Her empathy was matched only by her clinical knowledge, and my mother responded to it. But what struck me the most, and what I'll never forget, was that in the end, when my mother's health deteriorated and she had to move into that skilled nursing facility she once vowed never to go to, it wasn't the doctors or the other nurses she called for. Through several emergency visits, when I received the call that my mother wasn't responsive, I could hear her calling Mary's name. Mary, she would say, as if Mary's presence alone could ease her pain. I would sit by my mother's bed and hold her hand as she called out to her KUMC nurse. This story has stayed with me, and it's a reminder of the profound impact that empathy and compassionate care can have. Mary's actions went far beyond medical expertise. She gave my mother the gift of feeling seen, of feeling heard and cared for in a moment when it was easy to feel invisible. In a world where the technical aspects of care often dominate, it's the human connection, the kindness, the listening, the understanding that makes all the difference. To the School of Nursing graduates today, to all of you, you are entering a field where your expertise will shape the future of healthcare. But remember this, the heart of medicine, of any field, is the people we care for. It's not just about the treatments we provide, but about the empathy we offer, the time we take to truly understand the individuals we serve. As you embark on your journey, know that you carry with you the legacy of those who have shaped you, including people like Mary, who gave so much more than just care. She gave comfort, she gave dignity, and she gave the kind of human connection that my mother needed most at the end of her life. To all of you, congratulations, KU School of Nursing Class of 2025. May you always remember the power of your empathy, and may it guide you as you make your mark on the world. Thank you. Rock Chalk.
Dr. Klein, before you get away from us, I'd like you to join me for a moment back at the podium. As Dr. Klein mentioned, he will reach an incredible milestone this year. If you didn't hear, 50 years. 50 years. Amazing. During that time, he has seen incredible growth, change, and innovation, both for the health system and at the university. Much of the change and innovation here at the Medical Center was made possible by his contributions. Students and their education are at the heart of Dr. Klein's tenure, and he has been a staunch advocate for you. Countless KUMC students, many from the School of Nursing, have benefited from his tireless efforts. And because of these contributions, it is my honor to present the inaugural Friend of the School of Nursing Award to Dr. Robert Klein. It is customary for the dean of a school to offer remarks at graduation, and typically I'm able to offer remarks with firsthand experience of your experience. But many of you know I have only been the school dean for a year here, and you were already well on your way to your degree completion when I arrived. So unfortunately, I've not had an opportunity to interact with many of you. But that said, as a former associate dean and dean of nursing programs in New Mexico and Virginia, and now here at KU, I have overseen personally in a dean role over 34 graduation ceremonies since 2007. So today makes 35, and thus I have given many, many graduation speeches. And as I was preparing my comments, I was actually wondering, what are the most common phrases used in graduation speeches? So, with the help of artificial intelligence, I got a list of top phrases. Some include, "You're off to great places," or "Follow your passion," or "Embrace the unknown," "Don't be afraid to fail," "Make a difference," and "The future is yours." So not only have I heard many of these phrases in graduation speeches, actually I've used a variation of some of these myself. So my commitment today is to steer clear of those and instead focus on the theme of commitment. So graduation represents a transition in your lives, and for some of you, you're graduating from a lay position to a healthcare professional. Many others of you have advanced your education to attain expertise in an advanced practice role, specialty, or nursing research. So regardless of your path, this transition represents your commitment to nursing. And I want to emphasize the word commitment because, as you all know, as your friends know, your family members know, and our nursing faculty members know, you have worked very hard and made sacrifices. You have really earned this. But the truth is, you're far from done. I'll share a famous quote in honor of Florence Nightingale's recent birthday. Founder of modern nursing, Florence Nightingale said, over 100 years ago, she said, "Let us never consider ourselves finished. We must be learning all of our lives." So the take-home message is that you absolutely have a responsibility to remain committed to lifelong learning. Staying abreast with the ongoing changes in nursing and healthcare, you are the generation of nurses who will move our healthcare system to the desired state of health equity for all. You are the generation of nurses that must be committed to promoting wellness and positive workplace environment. We know that practicing civility, kindness, and respect toward everyone you interact with provides a foundation for resilience. So how do we do that? The following quote from Gandhi provides great guidance. And he said, "Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior become your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. And keep your values positive because your values become your destiny." Graduates, you may not yet fully understand the extraordinary nursing school experience you've had here at KU. Being a graduate of this nursing school myself, I did not appreciate the quality of my education until years later. So as you begin your careers or assume advanced roles in nursing, know you can make a difference and at a time that we need you most. My dream is for you to be fully committed to nursing and to continue the KU School of Nursing tradition of excellence by making a clear imprint on our profession. And you heard the story Dr. Klein shared about the importance of that relationship and the long-lasting imprint that that nurse made. So congratulations, and we look forward to hearing about you and your future contributions to nursing and healthcare. Thank you. So at this time, we're going to do student awards, and I'd invite you to look at your program for specific information about the awards that we will present today. So awardees, when you hear your name, simply stand so we can recognize you. We present our first student award to Shannon Liu. Shannon is the recipient of the Compassion Award, which is given to a student who practices the art of compassion by being present to the pain and suffering of their patients, families, and fellow staff. Is she here? Did I see you? No? Well, that's unfortunate. Round of applause for her anyway, right? Our next honoree is Grace Williams, the recipient of the Susan Day Award. This award is given to one of our most outstanding academic undergraduate students who also excels in leadership activities. Congratulations, Grace. Scotty Brackett is the recipient of the D'Souza Award. This award goes to a PhD student who has demonstrated vision, innovation, and leadership throughout their doctoral studies in the School of Nursing. Is she here? Oh. Congratulations, Scotty. Our next award is the Colleen Kosak Award, and this year's recipient is Amanda K. Vernon Crooks. Amanda, congratulations. This award recognizes an outstanding graduate student for clinical expertise in providing holistic patient care and leadership in advancing clinical practice. Congratulations. Our next recipient is Hong-An Anna Vo, the recipient of the Dean's Award. Please stand. There she is. This award recognizes a graduating senior who has provided outstanding service to the School of Nursing. Congratulations, Anna. Rachel Turek is the recipient of the Outstanding Senior Award. Rachel. The Outstanding Senior Award is given to an undergraduate student with highest academic achievement. Congratulations, Rachel. The recipient of the 2025 Jean Quisenberry Award is Alejandra Wright. Alejandra. This award is given to a graduating baccalaureate student who has demonstrated outstanding clinical skills. Congratulations, Alejandra. Jennifer Logbeck is the recipient of the Registered Nurse Award. There she is, Jennifer. This award recognizes a student out of our RN to BS program who is advancing their professional nursing education while demonstrating a commitment to professional growth. Congratulations, Jennifer. And the recipient of the Kay Schlichter Award is Megan Bulcock. Megan. This award was created by Kay's classmates after she passed away, this is tragic, 2 weeks before graduation in 1957. So what a nice way to recognize her. Congratulations. Brianna Edwards is the recipient of the Hirsch Nursing Award. This is an award given to outstanding BSN student who has accepted employment in a rural setting. Congratulations, Brianna. Our next recipient is Marissa Baumhover. She's the recipient of the Jean Hill Award. Melissa, the Jean Hill Award is given in recognition of a senior baccalaureate student who has demonstrated outstanding clinical performance. Congratulations. Alicia Flieger is the recipient of the Melissa Hardin Award. The Melissa Harding Award is created in memory of Melissa by her family and friends to recognize a BSN student who's accepted a position in a cardiac unit. Congratulations, Alicia. And the recipient of the Ann Hamburger Award is Keegan Mann. Keegan. This award was created by Ann Hamburger to recognize a deserving undergraduate student who demonstrates the art of healing, kindness, comfort, holistic care with exemplary clinical and interprofessional skills. Congratulations to you. And I might mention this award was omitted in your program. We apologize for that, but the award is absolutely authentic. Alan Miller James is the recipient of the Ruth O. McKibben Alumni Research Award. Is she here? Okay. Guess she was unable to come, but this is an award for a doctoral nursing student who demonstrates outstanding performance and scholarship. It's now my pleasure to welcome Jessie Laux, president of the Delta chapter of Sigma Theta Tau International. She will recognize the recipients of Sigma Theta Tau Awards.
So Sigma Theta Tau International is the world's largest and only honor society for nursing. This society recognizes superior achievement and leadership while fostering the highest standards for the nursing profession. Members in this society are recognized in the global community of nurses as those who excel within the profession. Each year, the Delta chapter of Sigma Theta Tau International awards students and faculty who possess these qualities. These awards were officially presented at the Delta chapter spring meeting, which was hosted in April of this year. Each Sigma Theta Tau graduate is recognized with a purple and white cord. Will the named students please stand and remain standing until all of the names are called? Audience, please hold your applause until all of the names have been called. Skylar Johnston and Rachel Turek are the recipients of the Delta Chapter Bachelor of Science in Nursing Award, and Rachel Westridge is the recipient of the Delta Chapter Doctor of Nursing Award. Please join me in recognizing these recipients. As previously mentioned, Sigma Theta Tau International is the honor society for nursing, and both undergraduate and graduate students are selected for membership each year. In your program, you will find the names of the new inductees listed. Will students, faculty, and audience members of Sigma Theta Tau please stand for recognition?
Thank you, Jessie. We appreciate that. And congratulations to our new members. I'm now pleased to welcome Madison Witt and Grace Williams to the podium. These are our officers of the Association of Undergraduate Students in Nursing. They're going to come to do a presentation of the 2025 class composite. Here they come.
Dean Giddens, on behalf of the BSN class of 2025, We are pleased to present this representation of the 2025 class composite. The original will be displayed in the Office of Student Affairs and Enrollment Management. We also want to thank the faculty, staff, and you, the Dean of the School of Nursing.
Thank you. What's funny is I still have my class composite. Let's see. Oh, she's already there. I was going to invite Dr. Nelda Godfrey to the podium to recognize students graduating with distinction and highest distinction.
The University of Kansas undergraduate students who rank in the upper 10% of their graduating class graduate with distinction. The upper third of those students, or top 3% of the class, graduate with highest distinction. These students are wearing orange cords denoting this honor. We will now recognize candidates for graduation with distinction and with highest distinction. Students, as your name is called, please stand and remain standing until all names are announced. And audience, would you please hold your applause, excuse me, until all names are announced. BSN candidates for graduation with highest distinction are Alyssa Yvonne Albee, Kaylin Rain Chase, Laura Amelie Collier, Crystal Leanne Dunstan, Rolanda Gerber, Michael C. Good, Rachel Turek, Grace Williams. BSN candidates for graduation with distinction are Marissa Mikkel Baumhover, Julia F. Hughes, Skylar R. Johnson, Keegan Lee Mann, Joshua Amos Morningstar, Amanda C. Maurer, Rayanne G. Parker, Lydia C. Pope, Katie L. Poulter, Aaron E. Ruggles, Ainsley P. Shank, Jenna Hope Valentine, Jocelyn I. Vang, Peyton R. Walters, Alejandra M. Wright. Please join me in recognizing these fine students. BSN Honors Program, our BSN Honors Program provides outstanding undergraduate students interested in nursing research with an opportunity to participate in research with a faculty mentor. This year, 8 students completed the BSN Honors Program. Students, please rise as we recognize you for this achievement. Audience, please hold your applause until all names are announced. Sia Jitendra Baka, Kiyoho Sato Bradley, Faya M. Fry, Madison Lizette Johnson, Sarah Elizabeth Crete, Alex Lim, Carrie Tucker, and Alejandra M. Wright. Please join me in recognizing these students. Phi Kappa Phi is the nation's oldest and largest multidisciplinary honor society. Phi Kappa Phi inducts outstanding seniors and graduate students each year. Please join me in recognizing Kristen Dunstan. Crystal, please stand. Crystal Dunstan, our 2025 inductee into Phi Kappa Phi. Congratulations to each of these award recipients.
Thank you, Dr. Godfrey. Now, we are finally at the point in the program that you've been waiting for, and that is to recognize our graduates. So we'll begin by honoring our graduates with doctoral hooding. Please join us in this time-honored tradition, acknowledging and celebrating students who have completed requirements for a doctoral degree. You'll find a list of all candidates and their dissertation project titles in the program, listed in alphabetical order by degree. Drs. Becky Christensen and Jill Peltzer will now recognize students graduating with the Doctor of Philosophy.
All right. First is Phyllis Pastua. Thank you. Hooded by her major professor, Dr. Jill Peltzer. Her dissertation is Nursing Pathophysiology Course, Attrition Among Minoritized Students, a Convergent Mixed Methods Study. Congratulations.
Karen Michelle Town, Major Professor, Dr. Barbara Polivka. Dissertation, The Relationships Between Allostatic Load, Disaster-Related Prenatal Perceived Stress Response, and Pregnancy Outcomes. Teal Wynn Ryan, Major Professor, Dr. Becky Christian, hooded by Dr. Christian and Dr. Kisa Hurley. Dissertation, The Effect of Different Education Delivery Models on Transactional Distance and Nursing Practice Readiness. Will the graduates and spring 2025 candidates for the Doctor of Nursing Practice please come forward as directed? Jessica M. Laux, Faculty Lead and Mentor, Dr. Kisa Hurley, headed by Dr. Kisa Hurley. Project was implementation of a data-driven preoperative blood type ordering algorithm, impact on unnecessary ordering and waste of resources within the obstetric gynecologic surgical service. Pamela Jean Masters, Faculty Lead, Dr. Kisa Hurley, Faculty Mentor, Dr. Angela Smith, hooded by Dr. Hurley. Project, Meeting Workforce Needs Through the Reduction of Nursing Student Attrition, Evaluation of an Academic Readiness Product. Mackenzie Dawn Holtz-Richter, Faculty Lead, Dr. Kisa Hurley, Faculty Mentor, Dr. Erica Sanner-Steer, hooded by Dr. Hurley. Project, Workplace Bullying Among Registered Nurses in a Progressive Care Float Pool, a Needs Assessment in a Large Academic Medical Center. Ariel Lene Zachariah, Faculty Lead, Dr. Kisa Hurley, Faculty Mentor, Dr. Jason Gray, hooded by Dr. Hurley. Project, Implementing Opioid Rotation Policy for Patients with Cancer-Related Pain. Rachel Marie Westridge, Faculty Lead, Dr. Kisa Hurley, Faculty Mentor, Melinda Sawyer, hooded by Dr. Hurley. Project, Integration of Sleep Apnea Screening in the Primary Care Setting, a Quality Improvement Initiative. Amy Lee White, Faculty Lead, Dr. Kisa Hurley, Faculty Mentor, Dr. Angela Smith, hooded by Dr. Kisa Hurley, Simulation Program Accreditation. Abby Crook, Faculty Lead, Dr. Christy Evers, Faculty Mentor, Dr. Kara Busenhart, hooded by Dr. Christy Evers. Project, Development of an Evidence-Based Simulation for Maternal Cardiac Arrest. Amanda K. Vernons-Crooks, faculty lead, Dr. Jason Gray, faculty mentor, Dr. Kelly Bozak, hooded by Dr. Bozak. Project was vitamin D level and its correlation to tibial bone pain and/or tibial stress fractures. Angela M. Ramirez, faculty lead, Dr. Christy Evers, faculty mentor, and hooded by Dr. Krista Ramirez-Henry. Project is developing an evidence-based protocol for trial of labor after cesarean section in a rural Kansas hospital. Young A. Hyun, faculty lead, Dr. Angela Smith, faculty mentor, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, hooded by Dr. Joanne Peterson. Project evaluating the implementation of a mentorship program among newly graduated nurses. Santina D. Brown, faculty lead, Dr. Joanne Peterson, faculty mentor, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, hooded by Dr. Joanne Peterson. Project Stop the Violence. Colby Lawrence Rankin, faculty lead, Dr. Joanne Peterson, faculty mentor, Dr. Jason Gray, hooded by Dr. Peterson. Project was evaluating APRN clinical guideline adherence in a burn clinic. Erin D. McChristy, faculty lead, Dr. Jason Gray, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Kara Busenhart. Project was implementation of a visual labor tool to address increased nulliparous term, singleton, and vertex cesarean rates. Alma Marie Rodriguez Allen, faculty lead, Dr. Christy Evers, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Karen Busenhart. Project was promoting vaginal birth. Scott Lyman Spacek, faculty lead, Dr. Christy Evers, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Kara Busenhart. Project is midwifery credentialing guideline, creation and evaluation of model midwifery integration at a community hospital. Madeline Grace Schulte, faculty lead, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, faculty mentor, Dr. Jason Gray, hooded by Dr. Paramesh. Project was Impact of Rural Trauma Team Development Course on Provider Confidence. Kendra Allison Peck, faculty lead, Dr. Angela Smith, faculty mentor, Dr. Kelly Bozak, hooded by Dr. Colleen Paramesh. Project was phone and message triage appropriateness by primary care RNs, a root cause analysis. Cynthia Bautista, faculty lead, Dr. Jason Gray, faculty mentor, Dr. Herlihy, hooded by Dr. Paramesh. Project was evaluating patient journey from primary care clinic to the emergency department. Kimberly Stanfield, faculty lead, Dr. Angela Smith, faculty mentor, Dr. Lucinda Whitney, hooded by Dr. Paramesh. Project Decreasing Patient Violence, evaluation of a patient misconduct policy. Stephanie Mavis Hare, faculty lead, Dr. Joanne Peterson, hooded by Dr. Colleen Paramesh. Project was implementing a rural trauma team development course evaluating strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improved team performance. Jamie Christine Bartley, faculty lead, Angela Smith, faculty mentor, Jason Gray, hooded by Dr. Colleen Paramesh. Project One Liver, Two Lives, increasing access, understanding, and advocacy for living donor liver transplant. Brandy Mae Vogelli, faculty lead, Dr. Karen Busenhart, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Colleen Paramesh. Evaluation of rural emergency room neurological competencies, a survey-based evaluation using Benner's stages of development. Alyssa D. Hannon, faculty lead, Dr. Paramesh, faculty mentor, Dr. Gray, hooded by Dr. Colleen Paramesh, project evaluating APRN clinical guideline adherence in the Collegiate Student Health Center. Caitlin Joelle Dansel, faculty lead, Dr. Herlihy, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Paramesh, evaluation of rural emergency room nurses' neurological competencies, a survey-based evaluation using Benner stages of development. Carla Valenzuela Silva, faculty lead, Dr. Angela Smith, faculty mentor and hooded, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, QI initiative to improve CMS measure of aspirin use as a tertiary prevention to improve cardiovascular disease risk. Brianne Culbertson, faculty lead, Dr. Jason Gray, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Lucinda Whitney, project aggression reduction by avoiding power struggles, enhancing emotional awareness using the Perth Emotional Reactivity Scale. Elaine Denise Level, faculty lead, Dr. Francis Yang, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Lucinda Whitney. Rural mental health care, a training protocol for a mobile crisis team to meet certification criteria. Jamie Neal Lewis, faculty lead, Dr. Herlihy, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Lucinda Whitney. Improving safety plan documentation rates for pediatric patients at moderate risk for suicide attempt in an outpatient hospital-based mental health clinic. Nikita Rana, faculty lead, Dr. Angela Smith, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Lucinda Whitney. Implementation of ALMS for early identification of tardive dyskinesia in pediatric patients on antipsychotic medications, a quality improvement project. Fallon Marie Nelson, faculty lead, Dr. Kisa Herlihy, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Lucinda Whitney. Implementation of screening, brief intervention, and referral to treatment in a rural outpatient behavioral health clinic. Catherine Alpha Noble, faculty lead, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Lucinda Whitney. Implementation of Suboxone medication-assisted treatment, microinduction protocol in a community mental health clinic. Monica Mutuo Morima, faculty lead, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, faculty mentor and hooded by Dr. Lucinda Whitney. Integrating an evidence-based intervention to reduce depression, post-stroke, and improve outcomes in rehabilitation unit. Megan Elizabeth Morgan, faculty lead, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, faculty mentor, Dr. Jason Gray, hooded by Dr. Colleen Paramesh. Impact of a rural trauma team development course on provider knowledge. Ashley Ann Evans, faculty lead, Dr. Francis Yang, faculty mentor, Dr. Colleen Paramesh, and hooded by Dr. Paramesh. College student mental health and adherence to treatment. Michaela Strife, faculty lead, Dr. Jason Gray, faculty mentor, Dr. Jill Peltzer, hooded by Dr. Colleen Paramesh. Feasibility assessment for implementation of a community-based advanced practice registered nurse-led direct primary care medical practice. Will the candidates for the Master of Science in Health Informatics degree please stand and come forward? Mariel Wedeking. Jorge Alejandro Flores. Will the candidates for the Master of Science in Nursing degree please stand and come forward? Jill Denise Coleman. Brooke Marie McDonald. Emma Danielle Renas. Abigail Robinson. Tristan Milam Coker. Tanya Sue Drescher. Let's congratulate all of our PhD, DNP, and Master of Science graduates.
Now, it is my honor to present the members of the Bachelor of Science in Nursing class of 2025. Will the Bachelor of Science candidates please approach the platform as directed? Kinuko Sato Bradley. Maria Christina Christic. Megan L. Bulcock. Montserrat Shiwake Alcantar. Kelly Lauren Hagedorn. Myra Munoz Garcia. Grace M. Williams. Madison Brooke Witt. Kylie L. Coble. Autumn L. Allison. Brianna Alexis Martinez. Brooke A. Burkdole. Abigail K. Wilson. Cameron Joe DeMarco. Perry Emerson Swanky. Garrett Donnelly. Caleb Brentnall. Kaylee Christine Schlink. Gabriela Guevara. Katie Ann Poulter. Lydia Claire Pope. Aria Delaney Jackson. Sage Madison Davis. Aubrey Nicole Craig. Marisol Kathleen Didakios Burke Kingfisher. Kaylin Louise Mosier. James William Medlang. Shay Pemberton. Emerson Avery Adams. Brenna Grace Christensen. Carrie Tucker. Brianna Caitlin Edwards. Laura Amelia Collier. Ryan Hangamelli. Sarah Selena Stradley. Crystal Leanne Dunstan. Abigail M. Solcher. Michelle Alexandra Recalde Phillips. Kaylin Rain Chase. Aklisha M. Kabade. Feliciano Otana. Joyce Yeji Yu. Christy M. Ramirez. Madison Lizette Johnson. Jillian Marie Powell. Hongwen Auna Vo. Ellie Marie Bramba. Fayeya M. Fry. Peyton R. Walters. Sia Bodka. Madeline Ryan Hunt. Abigail Faye Cruz. Zachary John Payne. Evelyn Lucille Prock. Aubrey Ann Dealey. Caitlin Hall. Rebecca Marie Washaba. Amanda Lee Riley. Cameron Elizabeth Simon. Callie Grace Perry. Erin Elizabeth Ruggles. Jennifer Marie Logbeck. Katrina Manapan Vian Tudgong Terakul. Madison Corinne Schemmel. Bailey Mian Ko. Kennedy Elizabeth Ferris. Talon Avery Rome. Jocelyn Rianne Watson. Sarah Beth Gilder. Rachel Quincy Spencer. Michaela Herr. That's great. Melanie Patricia Melendez Garcia. Abigail Irene Clark. Alexis Nicole Saragusa. Campbell Pavlonis. Alyssa Yvonne Albee. Arisara Shatani. Noah Shopper. Peter T. Ganstrom. McKenna Grace McGee. Ella Marie Root. Seth Bradley Ersman. Chase Michael McDermott. Cooper R. Foltz. R. Owen Mazzaro. Kiara Ashley McGee. Kira D. Dent. Abigail Lauren Yaki. Tibernay Rachel Beal. Ainsley Paige Shank. Alejandra Marie Wright. Abigail H. Spencer. Anna Frances Langan. Taylor Mackenzie Schmidt. Jane Caroline Ford. Julia F. Hughes. Calkins. Peyton D. Dean. Ella M. Six. Rachel Marie Turek. Grace Caroline Marshall. Emily Gail Mosier. Camden Glee Pipkin. Megan Elizabeth Davis. Mackenzie Elizabeth Lyston. Meg Grace Molitor. Keegan Lee Mann. Riley Kate Brown. Avery J. Barker. Alexis Michelle Ketchum. Isabel Marie Ulch. Chloe L. Amon. Lainey R. Van Hecky. Loretta Medina. Alex Lim. Alicia E. Flieger. Paige Michelle Walker. Rachel June Hughes. Andrea Michelle Coty. Channing E. Osborne. Skylar Reagan Johnston. Piper McLean. Catherine Grace Steinman. Lauren Elizabeth Taldo. Catherine Jean Braun. Rayanne Grace Parker. Chandler Allen Finogi. Ariana Reese Reck. Alexandra Marie Radakovich. McLean B. Sears. Sarah Elizabeth Crete. Margaret Young. Nicole Lynn Kruger. Jordan Elizabeth Martins. Alexa K. Scarlett. Gracie Meg Foster. Rosalind Eileen Zogelman. Rolanda Gerber. Mackenzie Nicole Mason. Taylor R. Besant. Tristan McKenna Bright. Kaylee Suanne Coleman. Trinity K. Fedorsen. Tasia Keeler. Anna Christine Janquila. Taylor Jacob Emmons. Jenna Valentine. Palace Adams. Amanda Christine Maurer. Jada Lynn Chabot. Bethlehem Zayad Nigash. Nesemika Francis Namsa. Jack Ingram. Anna Nicole Carpenter. Grace Jacqueline Kennedy. Marissa Mikkel Baumhover. Mia Noxip Mancy. Zella Lubin Meyer. Isla Michelle Jones. Alexis Elaine Gabbert. Jean Lee. Caliera J. Peterson. Let's congratulate the Bachelor of Science in Nursing graduates.
How about one more round of applause? Stand up, graduates. Stand up. Yes. Well, now, you can have a seat. Now, that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Final words to you graduates. You are now among the ranks of the KU School of Nursing graduates who have made a difference in healthcare. And I think it's only important for us to recognize that completion of your undergraduate degree or your graduate degree in nursing requires your sustained commitment and focus. And behind every graduate are key people who supported you, correct? All right. It's only fitting that we acknowledge those. So first, I'd like to recognize parents of the graduates. Please stand. Let us honor you. Husbands, wives, partners, children, please stand, be recognized. Will the grandparents, grandchildren, siblings, aunts, uncles, and all others who have a special relationship? So to the family and friends who have joined us today, thank you so much for coming. Graduates, thank you for entrusting us in your education. We ask that everyone remain seated until the graduates in our platform party have been able to recede from the room. So you will meet your graduate outside of the building. And to graduates, I hope you will consider attending the University of Kansas commencement ceremony in Lawrence tomorrow. The processional begins at 10:30 a.m. This concludes our recognition ceremony. Thank you again for coming.
you.